Hello, my name is Heston. I'm a solutions engineer at Verkada, and this video will cover camera audit logs. Verkada's audit log captures user and device activities that occur within the Verkada command platform. These logs are maintained at two levels, org level and individual camera level. Users with site admin permissions to the camera site can access the per camera audit logs by going to the camera's page within command and selecting the camera from which you'd like to see the log. Click Settings, and under General you will see Audit Log. Admins can view the audit log on screen and can use the search bar to filter for events. You can also click Export to download these events as a CSV file to create custom reports. This way, admins can see details most relevant to them and share them easily around their organization or externally. The details include event types on the camera, like a stream being started, as well as the user who performed that event and their IP address. This helps simplify compliance and reporting. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.